Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about whatever was predicted and whatever is happening after the 6th October 2021. The lunation chart of 6th October 2021 is most enigmatic because all the planets are connected to Trik Bhavas and especially the 8th house. So, friends, what all is happening? First of all, my predictions were that in my latest video, I had said that the coronavirus will definitely take some peak. The peak period is from the 2nd of October to 18th of October. That does not mean peak period, does not mean that it will cross all boundaries, but this time frame it will spread, and you can see for yourself in the different states. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala is it is surging. It is surging, although it is surging, but at a slow speed. And then I had mentioned that the longitudinal distance between Saturn and Jupiter, when it reduces, it is time for agony and pain, and it is already reduced less than 16 degrees. So that is why all this is happening. And then the political turmoils. See whatever is happening in UP. What has happened to Shah Rukh Khan's son, all has been predicted well in advance. And as far as the stock markets are concerned, in my last video I had mentioned that when planets are retrograde, it is a bearish trend, and normally I predict at the last moment as far as the stock market is concerned, because there are a lot of astrologers who copy paste, and it clearly indicates that till the time all these three planets are retrograde, the market will surge. And after 11th of October, when Saturn goes in direct mode, it has the capacity to bring some change. And then when Mercury and Jupiter also become direct on the 18th of October, they can bring a change in the stock and financial market. So primarily speaking, and I'd also mentioned that it can touch a new high. So it can cross 18,000. There is no doubt about it. It can cross 18,000. And Jupiter is mad elephant, and I had predicted that it can take the markets to any heights, and from there it can drop. And there will not be substantial drop now because there are other combinations are missing. But there can be corrections to 5 to 8%. But only after a rise, after 18th of October, there is probability that the stock and financial markets could take some correction. After the 11th and especially the 18th, you can see for yourself the conjunction of Mars, Sun and Mercury is taking place on the 9th, 10th, 11th. And there is planetary war between Mars and Mercury, and Mars is totally combusted. So we are bound to face power crisis. So power crisis is also on the cards. Then Saturn will be stationary. Saturn is Karka for agriculture and farmers. So the farmer agitation can take an ugly shape until unless it is solved. It can be solved also, but when Saturn is stationary. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say. That first of all, the third wave, whatever weather is of lower intensity or whatever intensity, it will definitely take place between 2nd and 18th of October, and it will last till Jupiter is in Satabhashi Nakshatra. When it clears Satabhashi Nakshatra somewhere in January, only then we will get some ease. And when Ketu leaves the sign Scorpio, we've already talked about it a number of times. So friends, then breaking news is Indian troops foil Chinese incursion in Arunachal Pradesh, and this was also predicted that the borders have to be alert. There can be terrorism also. There has been a terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. That was also predicted by me. And then the markets have positive cues right now. Tensions at the India-China border continue to grow as I predicted. India sees rise in coronavirus, and that was also predicted. Kerala remains nation's top COVID contributor. I had also already mentioned that this is going to be the epicenter. Indian logs 22,346 daily cases, an increase of 19%. It had gone down to 18,000. Now again, it has started increasing. US stocks fall. First they had fallen. Now again they are rising. Maharashtra, Ahmednagar records 10 deaths in 24 hours. Restriction in 61 villages. I'd also mentioned that this virus, the third wave, will spread in the rural area and it will be amongst the masses and old people and the worker class and the children as well. Whatever is happening in Punjab was also depicted. I had mentioned that the sign Virgo, Sagittarius, Pisces and Gemini are prone to, and Punjab is governed by Virgo. Russia struggles with high coronavirus cases, records 929 deaths in 24 hours. This is 2 days back news. Now, Lakhimpur Kheri, no accused will be spared. What all is happening? Political turmoil, political tug of war, and significations of Mars. COVID cases Delta variant increases the risk of deaths by 133%. India R value drops to 0.91%, but several cities see rise in infection rate. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that all my predictions are coming true, and some people had also put questions what will happen to the stock and financial markets. So I had clearly mentioned last time that you see, as far as stock and financial markets is concerned, I predict the last day because the other astrologers copy paste, and I don't want anybody to copy paste my predictions. And I had mentioned last time that the markets can touch a new high before these planets become direct. UP government asks Lucknow airport not to allow arrival of Chhattisgarh CM Punjab CM. An RN case. Indirectly, I had mentioned that he will not get bail. My dear friends, he has not been given bail and is still in hot waters. Unitech founder Ramesh Chandra, Preeti Chandra, arrested in money laundering case. So scams will be out, and especially related to property, because Mars is totally combusted. Mars is power sector, Mars is property, built up properties. So all this we are going to have trouble. UP violence, you have seen already. Violence I had mentioned. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to share that all my predictions are proving spot on, and I wanted to clarify as far as the stock and financial markets are concerned what could happen. The market, before there is correction in the market, it will take a new height, and maybe it crosses 18,000. No wonder it crosses 18,000. So friends, this is all I just wanted to share, that all the predictions, astrology is wonderful. Astrology can predict any parameter, anything, if it is applied properly. So thank you very much for listening to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.